A patch that promises rapid fat loss, boosted metabolism, and better health without diet or exercise. That's the claim behind Slimoly Moringa patches. But can a simple patch really help you lose weight? So Slimoly markets its patch as a 10-in-1 microneedle weight loss patch containing ingredients like moringa, berberine, and NAD+, which supposedly absorb through the skin to burn fat and control appetite. The company claims users can see major fat loss and metabolic improvements within days or weeks. Here's the reality. Transdermal patches exist in medicine, but they're strictly regulated and carefully dosed. For weight loss, there's no strong clinical evidence showing moringa or herbal patches causes meaningful fat loss. Even experts say weight loss patches haven't been proven effective in reliable clinical trials. There are several warning signs. Dramatic claims like extreme fat burning in 7 days are unrealistic. Similar moringa patches online receive average or poor review ratings from customers. Many experts warn these viral slimming patches are unregulated and may contain inconsistent ingredient doses. In many cases, they're just rebranded dropshipping products heavily promoted through ads. So can Slimoly Moringa patches help you lose weight quickly and healthily? There's no solid evidence they work. At best, they're a wellness gimmick with exaggerated marketing. The bottom line, Slimoly patches are likely another viral weight loss trend, not a proven fat loss solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.